sardines, innit? So the sardines are out tonight. I've been watching so much Geordie Shore, it's actually terrifying. Whoa, fish. Oh my god, since when has this camera quality been so bad? It's me confusing a Scouse with a Geordie accent for me. The fact I had the nerve to do a Scouse accent and then reference Geordie Shore is embarrassing on my part. I can only apologise. Anytime we've been getting in from like a night out or we've just been drinking, we turn on Geordie Shore, and trust me, Geordie Shore when you're intoxicated is a whole new experience. I would 10 out of 10 give it a go. Hello everyone, how are you doing? So today I'm going to be doing an unpopular opinions, but a tipsy unpopular opinions, which, by the way, can you, if you open a bottle of wine, can you then put it back in the fridge if it's got one of these on? Or is it like a one night thing, that you have a one night span on a bottle of wine? These are all things I'm yet to learn. We have a wine fridge in our flat and she does not get the use. It also just fizzed, but I'm pretty sure this wine is not supposed to be fizzy. We also have a wine fridge in our flat and she does not get the love or the respect that she deserves. She's just filled with vodka and other various childlike spirits. What am I trying? I thought I would do an unpopular opinions video, but a tipsy one. I'm not sure how I feel about wine. I mean, wine doesn't taste great to me anyway, so I would not know if this is okay, but here we are, live life, breathe air. Nearly knocked the bottle over already. Sparkling water is pang. Now, I don't know what weird chemicals were in your mum's boob milk to make you think that that is an acceptable statement in itself. Sparkling water is actually the taste of carbon dioxide. Surely, like, that's what that weird chemical bleachy taste is. Kendall Jenner is better than Kylie Jenner. How about we stop comparing siblings? Beans are disgusting. Now tell this to my flatmate who has avocado and beans on toast every single morning. And you know what? You can knock it. You can be, what's the word? Is that a fly? How do flies get up this high? I always wonder that. Like, are we ever gonna get spiders? Because how will, that's quite high up. How is a spider ever gonna get in? Hack the system there. I also feel like this light is really quite orange. Or maybe I'm just really tan. Woo! Hot girl summer is overrated. Finland isn't real. Alexa, is Finland real? Oh, toenails look better infected. I think you just single-handedly cured all of Olivia's toe issues. Joking, Olivia does not have infected toes. Let's create a whole tattle life forum for Olivia's infected toes. No, joking. Obviously, she doesn't have infected toes, but she's had many toenail issues. Why am I talking about Olivia's toes? I've been in the conversation. I've been on the topic of feet for a few days now, and it's starting to unsettle me. No, we're not going to start talking about my feet. Enough of that. Chewing the cupcake wrapper after eating the cupcake. What the? Mullets are hideous. Now, the mullet. Gonna need a big sip for this. Just stop. I mean, the mullets, they had their time. They had a place in lockdown. It was a bit of a laugh, and it's a bit of a laugh till everyone gets one, you know? But just stop. Stop it. Stop it. Unless you're gonna get it done well, stop it. Thousands of girls have had their boyfriends turn to the side of the mullet, and it's terrifying. I hate Britain's Got Talent / any live talent show. Lewis is sat in the corner of his room shaking right now. Lewis is so weirdly obsessed with talent. Is my collar spiked? Oh my god! Don't tell me the collar on this shirt has been spiked up the whole time, giving serious like year 6 boy disco energy vibes. What were we talking? I was talking to someone about year 6 disco the other day. What were we saying? What did you do at a year 6 disco? You know, I'm actually getting short-term memory loss. All my friends like tell me something, or I tell them something, and then I tell them again. They're like, yeah, you literally told me a day before. What is up with that? Like, why? How? Maybe it's because I've actually got shit going on in my life. I don't know. Shall anyway. What was I saying? Oh yeah, talent shows. Lewis is weirdly obsessed with talent shows. Little Mix The Search is on at the moment, and we'll literally be at pre-drinks or something, and he'll be watching The Search. But I mean, we love him for it. Sushi is disgusting. No, I think that's just fat factually incorrect. Sushi is an elite form of food. I could eat it 3 meals a day. 3 meals a day? That's right. English? I could have sushi breakfast, lunch and dinner. There are so many different variations. There's maki, nigiri, California rolls. Oh, I love it. I eat it up. Also, if you're a big sushi fan, I feel like people are going to think I'm not drinking because I'm doing it in between, but I don't know. The other night I caught the noise of myself gulping and I was like, that is the ick. If anyone ever hears that, I'm never getting a boyfriend again in my life. Terrifying. If you love sushi as well, you have to get the Itsu seaweed thins. Oh, I meant to get some today and I didn't. People drink coffee because it's trendy. No. People like me drink coffee because they're chemically dependent. When I was in Ibiza, I couldn't get access to my morning coffees. The coffee there was like dirt. It was really weird. Like the instant coffee that they sold there was literal grains of dirt. I don't know how to explain it. It was so bitty and so dry. It was so bizarre, and it like wouldn't actually mix with water. It's like, you know, even when you mix instant coffee with water, it kind of thickens. It was still like water no matter how much you put in it, but then the more you put in, the more dirty it lightweight check. Why are there flies? I thought I killed you. How vegetarian of me. Moral of the story, I'm a girl who loves her coffee, and in Ibiza I suffered, and I won't say that lightly. I suffered. If you watched that vlog, you saw those caffeine crashes. It was honestly quite terrifying, and I left Ibiza thinking, right, I need to actually do something about this because this is so bad that I can't get through a day without feeling like I need 2 naps if I don't have a coffee. Did I do anything about it? No. I got straight back to it, baby. Olivia did get a coffee machine for her birthday, so it would be rude not to use it 10 times a day. Cheese dipped in ketchup. Actually, grow up. Men in dressing gowns give me the ick. I don't know why this is so funny. The other day I was talking to my friend about like the icks I have, and a boy slipping over a boy like walking along the side of a pool and slipping over. Terrifying. And then also I think boys, cold custard is elite. Ooh. You look better brunette. I get this a lot, and do you know what, a guy, like, there is so much brunette. I would still call myself a brunette. I've literally just got a little bit of blonde. I never realised people could be so concerned and so upset over someone dyeing their hair till I dyed my hair. Internet is wild. I'm gonna leave it at that. The internet is wild. But if you have something not very nice to say, or you don't like what someone's done with their hair, or you don't like someone's makeup, or you don't like their outfit and it's something so petty, just keep it to yourself. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. You're welcome. I will leave my GoFundMe for my therapy below. I will also stop drinking wine with 2 hands like it's a mug. Garlic dip at Domino's is disgusting. If you order Domino's for anything other than the reason of the garlic dip, what are you doing? TikTok is overrated. TikTok is terrifying. Take 5 minutes, pause right now and deep TikTok. Deep the fact that there are all these random audios going around people's heads all over the world. Like, you get a TikTok audio stuck in your head. Why? TikTok consumes so much of your brain, I swear, like it's actually brainwashing us. Period. The school system tests your memory, not your intelligence. Write a book. Tuna is paying. COVID-19 is a hoax. Now, I don't think it is. And I will leave it at that. You do not want to know what someone wrote. Oh my god, surely not. Ooh. Hi, Timothy Chalamet is ugly. I will set up a GoFundMe for laser eye surgery in your aids in the description box. Don't say I don't do anything for my viewers. YouTube Peacemaker of the Year, sign me up. You're up your own ass. Well, I mean, this is an unpopular opinions video, so I would hope that is an unpopular opinion. But I feel like saying I'm not up my own ass makes me sound like I'm up my own ass. Why did I read that out? I don't know, you tell me. Sending streaks is weird over the age of 14. Sending streaks in general is bizarre. That was something I never did. Maybe because... Oh my god. I've got a paper cut. Do you see that? Ow. That really hurts. How did I do that? Oh my god, why has it got really cold all of a sudden? Does that mean there's a ghost? Do you know apparently ghosts haunt people and not places? Can you see me in the... Oh, you can see me in the background. Great. You can probably see that I'm literally sat half dressed. Okay. What time do I need to... I need to hurry up. Yeah. Yeah. Isn't it weird? Drake and Ariana Grande both say yeah. But one's yeah and one's yeah. That was really good. That was really good. Don't tell me it wasn't, because I know it was. I like when boys are cocky. Is that weird? I don't think that's weird. I think all girls do, but I think as you grow up, I need to pack it up. Someone tell me to shut up, please. Give me a slap. But as you progress through life, you learn that those cocky boys, they are fun. They're fun to be around, but Jesus Christ, Lord, give me strength. So everyone, that is the end of my video. I do hope you enjoyed it. I am not even fully through this wine, and I'm kind of got a little bit of a wine head. I am a lightweight. What about it? I also haven't eaten today. I've actually been really busy, and I should probably make myself a bagel. I bought bagels the other day. Oh, how good they are. Jesus Christ, like bagels are one of the sexiest foods on this planet. Don't even try me. And here my washing machine was actually on the drying mode right now. Me domesticated. What about it? So everyone, that is the end of my video. I do hope you did enjoy it. If you did, give it... Oh, I'm about to run out of memory. I really enjoyed myself filming this video actually, and if you did enjoy it and you are not subscribed, you can press the subscribe button. I do videos like this as well as other... People always ask, like, if I tell someone I'm a YouTuber, the first question they go is, what do you do, what do you film? And I'm like, you know, I don't really know myself. You tell me. You tell me, David. You tell me. You can subscribe if you would like to see more videos from me. I have all my social medias in the description box down below. I'm most active on my Instagram. It's just @Flossie, so you can follow me over there if you fancy. Don't really know what else to say apart from I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are. In fact, tell me where you are and tell me what day it is. What day is it as I'm filming this? I don't actually know. I'm gonna go now and see you later. Take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy. Do I have a hair? Oh, I don't have a hair bubble on my wrist. For once, she doesn't have a hair bubble on her wrist. Thought I was gonna get married. Thought I was gonna be put in my grave, in the casket, with a hair bubble in my wrist at this rate. I just got a new perfume the other day from Victoria's Secret called Bombshell Intense. Okay, love you. Bye. Bye. I need to go. I'm starting to get drunk, guys.